Ang maging kampiyon sa magkakaibang dibisyon ay isang pambihirang achievement na hindi basta-bastang matutularan ng pangkaraniwang boksidor lamang. Sa Asia ay mayroon lamang 3 fighter na nakapagtala ng pagiging world champion na hindi bababa sa 4 na dibisyon at silang 3 ay puro mga Pinoy. Isa dito ay ang ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao na naging 8 division world champion. Nonito the Filipino Flash Donaire na naging 4 division world champion. At Donnie Ahas Nietes na isa ring 4 division world champion. Sa videong ito, ating matutunghayan ang isa sa pinakamagandang laban na ipinamalas ng ating the longest Filipino champion in history na si Donnie Ahas Nietes. February 23, 2028, ito ang unang pagdepensa ni Nietes sa kanyang IBF World Title na nakuha nito noong 2017 kontra sa Thai fighter na si Comgrich Nantapich. Ang challenger naman na makakasagupa dito ni Nietes ay ang bigating flyweight fighter ng Argentina na si Juan Carlos Rebeco. Si Rebeco ay may mataas na ring record na 39 wins, 19 knockouts at 3 losses. Samantalang si Nietes naman ay mayroong ring record na 40 wins, 22 knockouts, 1 loss at 4 draw. Bagamat challenger lamang si Rebeco ay hindi dapat magpakakampante si Nietes sapagkat ang iba sa mga boksidor ng Argentina ay hindi pareho kung makipaglaban at may kadumihan kung maglaro. Katulad ng nangyari noon sa laban ni Casimero kontra sa Argentinian fighter na si Luis Lasarte noong 2012 na kung ating matatandaan, matapos sumablay ang pandaraya kay Casimero ay kinuyog sila ng mga fans ni Lasarte pagkatapos ng mismong laban. Dagdag pa rito ay nagbitaw ng mga salita si Rebeco. Natatapusin daw nito ang laban sa round 6 at maswerte na lamang daw kung aabot pa ng round 7 si Nietes at siya daw ang puputol sa mahabang record ng pagiging world champion ni Nietes. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell upang palagi kang ma-notify sa mga bago nating video. Mabuti na lamang at ang laban ay ginanap sa Inglewood, USA. Sa round 1, jab lang muna ang binibitawan ni Nietes at pinapauna nito si Rebeco. Malamang sinusukat pa nito ang lakas ng Argentinian. Dito ay mas matangkad ng 1 cm si Nietes at pareho lamang sila ng haba ng mga braso. Bagamat pareho lamang sila ng reach ni Rebeco, ang outside distance ang naging pamamaraan dito ni Nietes upang makontrol ang pace ng laban.
He's a veteran. On a scale from 1 to 10, he's gonna give you a consistent 5 or 6. He's not gonna do anything that's gonna wow you, but he does a lot of crafty, subtle things in there that's definitely gonna get your attention and get Rebecco's attention as well.
Samantalang hindi naman pumapayag si Rebeco na magkaroon ng magandang distansya si Nietes. Pilit niya itong nilulusob at gusto nito na siya ang magdidikta ng takbo ng laban.
Gets in another right hand to the body as Nietes misses with the right upstairs.
That was a really good combination to the body that Rebeco landed, especially the right hand.
Sa round 2 ay tila ba makina na dahan-dahan nang umiinit ang parehong mandirigma at unti-unti na rin nagbabaga ang pagpapalitan nila ng mga kamao.
He also got some good rounds in with Brian Valoria, who fought a great fight. It was a great fight. Valoria suffered it.
Luck one. Popular fighter when he turned pro, Olympian, an offensive fighter, a crowd pleaser, a good personality, delivers the ball. And Nietes is like a really seasoned quarterback in the pocket. Look at that.
Well chosen body shot by Nietes, while Rebeco was missing upstairs. And now Rebeco comes back with a couple of body shots of his own. But in the closing seconds of round 2, already by CompuBox count, Nietes is doubling Rebeco in landed punches. Donnie Nietes' ring nickname is Ahas.
Sa pagpasok ng round 3, dito ay unti-unti nang nangingibabaw ang pagiging agresibo ni Nietes. Malamang nakakasilip na ito ng mga butas sa kanyang kalaban at dahan-dahan na rin itong nagbibitaw ng mga power shot.
In terms of the depth of his skill, Andre, the way he picks punches, the calmness in the pocket, the countering, the pacing, he's a master.
Filipino champion in boxing history. That's for a reason.
One loss in his career, and it took place in September.
Chances are you're going to have an off night.
Absolutely.
Chances are
Consistency in this game is definitely underrated. Sometimes
Dr. Tito Gonzalez could never have really known before he first brought Reese's and Soren Disa that this was the guy.
particularly with pressure fighters in the lighter divisions, they tend to age very quickly once they hit about 30.
Which makes it interesting to see what
Ngunit nagawang makuha ni Rebeco ang round 4 at round 5 ng laban.
Keeps the fight where he wants it, you know, in a very specific way. He doesn't remind me of Andre as an overall boring fight, a little bit one-sided, obviously, but
genesis of the booing. First 4 rounds, CompuBox finds him
I'm thinking right now that everything I heard about Donnie Nietes is true.
good fight so far.
once again. Nietes ducks and slips a few
Run that home. That's something to look at. It's not always the flashy defensive. Nietes has done that this whole fight.
Bill Sanchez. That landed 7 out of 53. We're at the Forum in Los Angeles, looking at a couple of hard left hook by Nietes. Follows it up with
Fighter, and he's aggressive and he likes to throw a lot of punches. He went against his own nature, which was to lay back and try to think with a master thinker, and that's where he went wrong.
Mike Tyson said, in boxing, you got to bring it together. That isn't exactly what he said, but that's the point.
What a big
Sa pagsapit ng round 6, isang right punch mula kay Nietes ang nakapasok kay Rebeco bago tumunog ang bell. Bahagyang gumewang-gewang ito pabalik ng corner. Agad naman itong inalalayan ng cornerman na may nakasubo pang toothpick. Delikado ito sapagkat napuruhan si Rebeco at nahilo ito pagdating sa kanilang corner. At sa tingin ko, ang pinakamagandang gawin dito ay hindi na ituloy ang laban.
The left hook that followed.
He looked out on his feet, Andre.
He was out on his feet. And Nietes knows it.
Subalit nais pa rin patunayan ni Rebeco ang kanyang kakayahan at ituloy pa rin ang laban. Dito naman, pinagpipilitan ng corner ni Rebeco na ang suntok na tumama sa bata nila ay after the bell. Dahil dito, hindi na nila nabigyan ng advice si Rebeco kung paano pa i-handle ang susunod na round, na kung saan, yun pa naman sana ang pinaka-crucial at pinakakailangan ni Rebeco.
Let's see if Nietes opens up and tries to finish the show.
Sa pagpasok ng round 7, halatang grugi pa si Rebeco. Kung mapapansin mo ng mabuti, wala sa hulog ang mga hakbang nito.
The extra time that he was given, he's still out.
Samantala, ito naman ang magandang pagkakataon para kay Nietes upang tapusin na ang laban.
Things are gone.
That's why he's running like that, to try to get his leg. But watch the veteran. He's going to start to pick it up, and you'll see him as aggressive as he's been all night.
and he landed a lead right hand flush. As he now looks for the next opportunity.
Coach just has huge heart. Nietes has a
Isang malinis na kanan ang naipatama ni Nietes na siyang nakapagpadagdag sa pagkagrugi ni Rebeco. Ninamnam nito ang sakit at wala na itong magagawa kundi dumepensa na lamang sa mga susunod na atake ni Nietes.
duck in front of him.
Yeah, and I think this is highly questionable.
Matapos ang sumunod na atake ni Nietes, dito ay tuluyan ng bumagsak si Rebeco. Sa pagbibilang ng referee, agad na tumayo si Rebeco. Marahil dahil ito sa labis na determinasyon at paghahangad na masungkit ang world title. Dito nga ay pinipilit pa rin ni Rebeco na labanan ang pinsalang naidulot sa kanya. Ngunit tila ba hindi magkasundo ang utak at katawan ni Rebeco. Ngunit maya-maya pa ay matapang nitong nalampasan ang bilang ng referee. Ngunit kasabay ng pagtayo ni Rebeco ay nagwagayway na ng puting tela ang corner ni Rebeco, na ang ibig sabihin ay ang coach na mismo ni Rebeco ang nagdesisyon na wag nang ituloy ang laban para sa ikabubuti ng kanilang bata. Bagamat gusto pa nitong lumaban, mas alam ng coach nito ang kondisyon ni Rebeco. Dahil dito, nagawang ma-retain ni Nietes ang IBF World Flyweight title. Sa ngayon, si Nietes ay hindi na active sa boxing at ang huling laban nito ay noong July 2022 pa. si Nietes ay nagkaroon ng impresibong record na 43 wins, 23 via knockouts at 2 talo lamang. Sa ngayon ay wala pang Pinoy fighter na nakakabasag sa achievement na nagawa ni Nietes, Donaire at Pacquiao. Ngunit mayroon ng mga bagong sibol na mga Pinoy fighter na unti-unti na din na gumagawa ng pangalan sa boxing. Sino sa tingin mo ang susunod sa yapak ng 3 bigating Pinoy fighter na ito, kabayan? I-comment mo na yan dyan sa baba at pag-usapan natin sa comment section. Kung nabitin ka naman sa ating video ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga kalidad na boxing topic. Maraming salamat po.